VDM Health's founders believe that our medical system, and those working within it and using it, deserve better. The team is committed to delivering a true AI doctor and AI pharmacist, supporting healthcare systems and workers in real time. Our healthcare is under strain. People are living longer, and in turn, having more and multiple chronic diseases. COVID has served to further stress an already overburdened healthcare system, not only within Europe, but globally. Access to healthcare is a global issue that all age groups face. Many face extremely long wait times to see primary care physicians, if they are even able to get an appointment. There are a lot of medical errors that are avoidable. Individuals are looking for medical advice, precision, and security. People want immediate medical services online, and at the best price. VDM Health is a clinically led and technology-backed solution that offers its users a true AI doctor and AI pharmacist experience for immediate and high-precision medical care. What is our solution? 3 apps for healthcare professionals. We provide AI technology for decision support and easy EHR, electronic health record, EMR, electronic medication administration record, integration. Plus, pharmacy point of sale and pharma app. 4 apps for people. We provide AI technology for telemedicine, COVID-19, online pharmacy and health shopping. We are different from our competitors. We offer AI-driven technologies that give rapid support, diagnosis and treatments, in line with local, best practice, and clinical guidelines, freeing up medical professionals' time to spend with the patients. VDM Health provides the technology for clinical diagnosis, prescription of drugs, and lifestyle decisions based on strictly professional criteria and the algorithm's ability to learn as it takes in new information and provide expert and well-informed first and second opinions. We are so much more than just a tool or medical database. Innovation, confidence, precision, learning, scalability, and evolution are what we are committed to and define us. VDM Health has already proven that we can take a concept and build it out with the correct artificial intelligence, algorithms, metadata, artificial vision and human-computer interaction, all while winning high-impact contracts, doing research, and producing cutting-edge science. We are a known business and have been developing our reputation in Spain over the last 6 years, and have partnerships with many clinicians, research universities, government and hospitals. Our care-centered approach follows local best practices and delivers care in a timely manner to patients. As an investor in VDM Health, you are investing in the future of medicine and a team that can deliver, and already has scoped 8 apps with detailed business plans. We need the funds to develop them and get them on time to market. You are investing in the centerpiece of the future of global health, a $10 trillion industry, when you invest in VDM Health. We are currently serving 12 million people throughout Spain with our app Pharma, being used by pharmacists throughout the country, which is revolutionizing the way they treat their patients. Winning new contracts regularly and expanding the business consistently. We are a player for the European Recovery Plan for the COVID-19 pandemic. We have built 4 revolutionary technologies for public health systems in Spain, 7.3 million people, with the sponsorship of European funds. 1 app with advanced AI-driven interactive interfaces, chatbot-assisted, for high-precision automatic health recommendations, personalized nutrition, customized exercise programs, mental wellness, quitting addictions, and chronic loneliness. 3 predictive apps, hosted in an interoperable platform, to encode clinical reports, diagnose low back pain by MRI images, and prediction of admissions due to environmental impact factors. Our team is made up of medical, technology, and investment experts. The executive team includes Jordi Ferrer, CEO, Chairman and Founder; David Ferrer, CTO and Founder; Maria Jose Mata, CSO; Jordi Trudler, Data Scientist. VDM Health's executive team is supported by a board of medical professionals, each of them experts in their field. The board members are PhD Manel Lopez, CPO, PhD Jordi Colina Mascaro, CMO, Dr. Iñaki Marina Clopes, medical collaborator, PhD Meritxell Granell, genomics research, Jordi Català, medical image advisor.
Hello, my name is Jordi Ferrer. I am the CEO, chairman and founder of VDM Health. Myself and David have worked hard since 2016 in order to build VDM Health and get it to where it's today, where we're serving over 12 million patients here in Spain. Our team is experienced not only in the development of AI technology, but also in most up-to-date diagnostics and medical practices, as well as in online pharmacy and global healthcare markets. Our APP Pharma has been successful. We need now your investment and support to launch the 7 next generation APPs, which have already been partially developed and planned out, to grow our business and expand our revenue streams into new geographies and markets. Join us as we make VDM Health a global name in healthcare provision.
Existing research partnerships in Spain with 2 universities, Universitat de Barcelona and Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona, a hospital, Institut de Recerca Hospital Sant Pau, a research center, IDIBEL, as well as an AI national key stakeholder, Data Hack. Existing stakeholder Pharmacelera. Established network of clients. Have already illustrated the ability to launch an app with our app Pharma that is currently being used throughout Spain. Here is a testimonial from Catalan Health System Officer, Mr. Jordi Piera.
Today's traditional telemedicine is a thing of the past. The VDM all-in-one, AI-assisted, telemedicine, pharmacy online and healthcare platform is the most effective approach to the medicine of the future, where machines will collaborate closely with doctors and patients to provide immediate and specialized medical care. I personally know some of their current products, specifically the app Pharma, and I think they are perfectly capable of achieving their purposes and impacting with the new technologies that are proposed. His team is reliable, and they have already achieved their first achievements in our public health systems in the country. I am truly convinced that we must support the developments and technologies that VDM is building for our entire global community.
The team at VDM Health is committed to support healthcare systems and the people working within them with real-time, on-demand diagnostics, treatment and care. You can make a difference in the future of healthcare and own a piece of $1 trillion industry. Go to vdmhealth.com to learn more.